Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to publish your Power BI report. It's very easy and simple. Once you launch your Power BI report, what I want you to do is come here to the top left and click on File, okay? And you'll get this menu. And here on the left-hand panel, see this last option right here? It says Publish. So click on Publish, and we're going to be publishing this report. And then click on Publish to Power BI. Basically, this report will be published online in the Power BI service. All you need to do now is save all your changes that you have made. Okay, click on Yes, and just enter your organizational email that you're using for your Microsoft Workspace. Okay, enter your email, log in, and it will publish to your workspace. And it's really that easy and simple.